Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel. This is the first video and I'm going to talk very briefly about this. I'm very new to the Rust coding language, but I love it. This here is Vypertron. Vypertron Snake is built in Rust, leveraging the language's memory safety, guarantees, and zero-cost abstractions for optimal performance. The game runs on the Macroquad engine, thank you by the way, which provides immediate mode rendering and cross-platform compatibility through WebGL and native OpenGL backends. The architecture follows Rust's module system with clear separation of concerns. Each game component lives in its own module, snake mechanics, AI behavior, collision detection, and rendering. The CPU opponents use a stochastic movement algorithm with boundary validation, preventing edge case panics. For state management, I implemented a finite state machine pattern that handles menu to game transitions. The game loop maintains a consistent 60 FPS using Macroquad's frame timing, while the snake's movement operates on a separate timer to achieve that classic discrete grid movement. The theme system demonstrates Rust's powerful enumeration pattern matching, cycling through predefined color palettes stored as constant structures. Each theme defines 6 color values that get applied across all rendered elements. Performance scaling uses a logarithmic function capped at 3 times base speed. Don't want to get too out of control with the speed as you move forward with the game. It's got to be playable. 3 times base speed, preventing the exponential difficulty spike common in arcade games. This mathematical approach ensures long-term playability while maintaining the challenge. Okay, so now that I've blabbed, let's take a quick look at it here. Here are my assets. I've got a Snake game wave file, so this is the music you'll hear while you're playing the game, and then this file here is the Snake title wave file. You'll hear this at the title screen. So let's go ahead and open it up with cargo run. Cargo run. Yes, I do have some minor fixins down here, but what's important to note is that there are no warnings. Excuse me, errors. All right, let's fire this up. Bear with me here. The audio might be too low, too high. I'm still learning, so here we go. So here's the title screen for Vypertron Snake. All right, I'm going to go ahead and press the space bar to begin playing. Here we are. Let me move the cursor. There we are. Very simple game. You collect pieces of tails to make your tail longer, as to be expected in a classic Snake style game. What you do is you collect 5 pieces of tail and you go up a level. So at the far left-hand corner of the screen, you can see that it says I am currently at 5 pieces. So I got 5 pieces, went up to level 2. On the far upper right-hand corner of the screen, you can see it says speed at 1.0. I'm going to play for a little bit, not real long. I'm going to attempt to go to level 5. And then I will call it. Perfect. The music, I made the music myself, clearly and very obvious. I am not a music maker at all. But I wanted it to be my own, and I made the music on a website called BeepBox. Shout out to BeepBox. Very awesome, very cool site. You don't even need to sign up. Stop by, you start making your music, and then you can export that file as a .mp3 or a WAV file. So there it is, everyone, Vypertron Snake. Let me go ahead and, by habit, I always clear. I will kill port. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.